everyone, welcome to my Kriya channel, and I am Ginelle, and today I'll be teaching you to play the famous Italian song Bella Ciao on the ukulele. Let's get started. There are 4 chords to this song. The first one is A minor, the next one is A7, then we have D minor, and lastly E7. Now these 4 chords are to be played in the sequence given, and this sequence of 6 chords will keep running throughout the song. The 2 types of strumming patterns that you could use for this song would be so this is basically a swing with up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? And the song would sound like this. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao. Alright? The next strumming pattern would be the shuffle, and it goes down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella. If you have any doubts and you have any queries and you need my help, please drop in your comments below, and I'll make sure that I get back to you personally. If you like this video and you like the tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also share it with all of your ukulele friends. Thanks so much for watching. Happy learning. Bye.